Prabowo Subianto yakin ekonomi Indonesia akan tumbuh 8% dalam waktu 2 atau 3 tahun di bawah kepemimpinannya. Hal ini disampaikan Prabowo dalam sesi dialog pada Forum Ekonomi Qatar di Doha. Ucapan tegas Prabowo ini sekaligus menjawab wartawan senior Haslinda Amin yang mengutip Jokowi bahwa pertumbuhan ekonomi Indonesia akan mencapai 7%. Lebih lanjut, Prabowo menjawab, pertumbuhan ekonomi itu akan berdasarkan pada pertanian, produksi pangan, distribusi pangan, dan energi.
Can you achieve a growth target of beyond 5% in order for you to fulfill what you have set out to do? In my conversation with Bapak Joko Widodo, he said that he's laid the foundation, he's implemented all the policies, put in place infrastructure needed for Indonesia to grow at 7%. Can you achieve 7% or more in the 5 years of government?
I'm very confident. I've talked to my experts. I've studied the figures. I'm very confident we can easily achieve 8%, and I am determined to go beyond.
8% within the 5 years, the first year, second year, and when you go beyond, are you looking at double-digit growth?
I would say within 2-3 years, yes.
You talked about downstreaming. What are the other growth drivers for you? Or would downstreaming be key to you achieving 7, 8, 9% growth?
Downstreaming will take several years. What will be a growth driver in the first years will be our concentration on agriculture, food production, food distribution, and energy. We want to go green in a very quick way. We want to produce our diesel from palm oil, and this will be a very strong growth driver. We import $20 billion every year for diesel oil. So can you imagine the savings we will have when we will switch to biofuel?
Prabowo juga mengatakan bahwa dalam membangun sebuah bangsa dibutuhkan proses yang panjang. Presiden Jokowi telah membangun fondasi yang cukup kuat bagi keberlanjutan pembangunan. Prabowo akan melanjutkan pembangunan itu dengan memprioritaskan ketahanan pangan, kemandirian energi, memberantas kemiskinan, hilirisasi dan industrialisasi. Prabowo yakin semua prioritas itu akan tercapai dengan tata kelola negara yang baik serta tekad kuat untuk memberantas korupsi.
As you know, nation building is a long-term process, and President Joko Widodo has built a strong foundation, and I'm determined to build on that foundation. And my core focus will be first on food security. Indonesia must be self-sufficient in food, and then energy security, energy self-sufficiency, and we are determined to bring down poverty in a massive campaign, massive effort. I'm determined to get rid of hunger amongst our people, especially the young. And in the end, we have to concentrate on processing our natural resources. We have to make a great effort in downstreaming and to industrialize. And all of this needs good governance. I'm determined to cut down corruption, waste, and with that, we are very confident, we are very bullish, we are very determined to bring this all about.
Pada bagian lain, Prabowo membantah bahwa Indonesia menerapkan kebijakan proteksionis. Anggapan itu adalah kesalahpahaman pihak asing dalam memahami upaya Indonesia melindungi kepentingan nasionalnya. Tidak adil jika Indonesia selalu menjadi negara pengimpor. serta Indonesia tidak akan jadi negara maju jika hanya mengekspor bahan mentah.
Indonesia has often said it is open for business. Yet, I think a lot of investors say it's adopted protectionist policies, limits on the export of nickel, coal, palm oil. Is it important for you to move away from nationalistic protectionist policies?
No, I think there's a misperception. We are not protectionist. What we are doing is very logical. Every country in the world will fight or will protect the national core interest of their people. And we think that we want to industrialize, and those are our natural resources. We have to protect our interest in the sense that we must get the full value, right? We cannot keep importing industrial goods all the time. It's not fair to our people. We will not be an advanced industrial society if we are just a producer of raw materials.
Ada hal menarik ketika Prabowo dengan tegas membantah pertanyaan kurang elok dari wartawan senior Bloomberg, Haslinda Amin tersebut, yang mengutip pihak lain tanpa menyebutkan sumbernya, bahwa pemerintahan Prabowo dapat menekan demokrasi. Jawaban Prabowo Subianto yang tegas dan lugas ini mendapat tepuk tangan dari peserta Forum Dialog Ekonomi Qatar.
Some people are concerned, your critics are concerned, you may clamp down on democracy. What do you say to them?
Who is concerned?
There's some critics who say you may clamp down on democracy.
Who is concerned?
So you're saying
who is concerned?
there is no concern about that?
Why don't you ask the Indonesian people? I go to elections already 4 times. I go to my people. I ask their consent. 3 times they did not give their consent. This time they give the consent. Where is the concern about democracy? The concern about democracy is, I think, made up by some people in the press.
So that would be us then.
Each country have their own culture, history. Every leader of every country must serve their own people in their own way. So I said, I go to my people. They rejected me 3 times. They accepted me this time. So I will work very hard so that I don't disappoint my people. Right? What do we live for? We live for the legacy we want to leave behind is a good reputation, a good name in the history of our country.
Men of our time.